If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started with the head. Alright, so it's very easy to build. And then we have a couple connectors right here. So these are for the eyes. So let's get started with this piece, okay? So let's insert it here for the eyes. So, alright, that's looking good, I believe. Maybe let's go try it this way. So this one, we will place it onto the top. Just like so. Alright. And then we're going to place this one on top of this. Yep. Alright, so we're going to push this one in a little bit so that we will have the eyeball parallel on this level. And let's insert this one in the center, all the way in. Yep, I believe right here. And let's go from here to the top, and we're gonna insert this one right here. So you will have one little bead out here, and we're gonna add this area right here. Yay! Alright, so we're done with this part. So we're just gonna continue adding to the back. So this one will follow. So just like so. Take your time. Alright, and then we're gonna go with this one to the back. Looking good. Alright, so you see these little pieces right here? This goes right here in between the ears. One more over here. Alright, looking good. Alright, let's continue to the back. So this one, we'll add it to the back. We're almost done here. Alright, so this one will go behind. Looking good. Alright, let's do this one really quick to insert it to the top right here. Looking good, and then we're gonna add this one to the top. So this one will be right here. Alright, so let's go to the back and add this one as well to the back. Now we got one more piece to finish. So this one is at the bottom, just like so. Alright, so we're done with the doggie's head. Let's move on to the body. Alright, let's get started with the body. As you can see, we have a couple connectors right here. So let's use these two really quick. And then this one will be the centerpiece. So we're gonna insert this longer one at the bottom and then find the even beads on each side. So it will be 5 on each side. And then this one will be on the next level right here. Looking good, so 4 on each side. So let's insert on this side to start. So if you layer pieces like this, it will be easier to follow. So this one will be the first one to go on this side. So since we're doing 2 connectors at a time, so just be careful for the first few beads. That's the time when it's easier to break. Alright, so we got through this. Let's go to this one. Yep, and I noticed that this one will be a close. So let's add the connector, which is this one, to over here first, so that we won't close too much. Alright, looking good. Alright, let's continue on this side. So this one will be the next bead. Actually, it's pretty easy, this project, right? And then we're gonna use this one right here to insert to the front. Just like so. And then we're almost done on this side. So this one will add on to this. Yep, looking good. Okay, I think I pushed too much on this one because this one will be the last one right here. All right, that's looking good. So I'm thinking to, oh, actually, let's fill up the other side first. Okay, so from this side, we're gonna go on this order. So this one first. Yep, looking good. And then this one, as you can see here, it has this color right here. It just put in the center. So then these pieces can be connected, right? And then so we're gonna add this one onto the top. Yeah, and then we add this little piece right here. Oh, actually we can add it after this piece. All right, so this one is next. As you can see, we're almost done here. Yep. Help me out. All right, so maybe adding this one right here, just getting it ready for the next piece. Just like so. Yep, right here. And then this one will be the last one right here. All right, so let's do the front first. It's easier. So it will be this piece right here, and just insert it here. And take your time because it can easily break. Yep. Okay. Yep. All right, looking good. And then let's put this one onto the top. Alright, let's turn to the back. So this one, as you can see, a lot of connectors over here. So just be careful when you insert that. Don't break it like I was trying on the other side. Alright, maybe this side is better. Yeah, as you can see, it's a challenge right there. If you need to use some tool, feel free. Let's grab some. Well, just to put them in place. Once you get them in the right place, everything will fall into the right spot. Okay. Alright, let's add 2 more. Then we're done here. Alright, looking good. Let's add the bottom piece right here. So this one, I'm going to add it first. If you're not going to add the turning platform, this will complete it here. And if you want to follow me to do the turning platform, so stay tuned. But let's finish this one right here. Alright, here's looking good. Perfect. Let's add the head right here. Yay! So we're done with our doggy here. However, as you can see, this one has the turning platform, right? So when it's standing, it can turn like this. Isn't it cool? So I got all these pieces here. So you will have to build these as well. And I'm gonna use I'll use like a like a plastic cord that I got from Hobby Lobby that fits for this size, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do it so you can make like a turning platform for your doggy. Let's go. Alright, so what we'll need is this extra piece right here that is in the pattern, and also these ones for the platform. And you will need this plastic cord. I'm gonna put in the description so you can go check it out at Hobby Lobby. And first I will need a portion about maybe this. If you need help, ask for an adult to help you. So you're gonna go from the bottom where you can cut the wire. Yep. So that's how much I need. I think it's too long. Let's make it a little bit shorter. Yep, I think just like this, maybe half of the pinky. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this platform out because that's where I have to iron this too, right? So let's go find the middle beads. I'm very familiar with this, so I already know. So there will be this one, count 1 and 2, and then this one right in the middle, right? And then I like to go from this side, and then this one is right in between. That is the center, right? So we're gonna insert this right here. And how do you get this? Well, you can already see it's turning, right? It's already turning, but how do you keep it in place? So first, you press all the way in to this side and use a paper right here. And let's eye on this area flat into like a little circle. Okay, you can start seeing it, right? That is flattening. Okay. Yeah, so now it's almost like a circle with the beads. All right, so let's turn on the other side. Also hold onto the back of this. So it's gonna look like this, right? So it's like the size of the beads. And on this side, let's do that again. Press, hold it, and again. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but should be okay. Yeah, I can see it's all flat already. Yay, so I got this done, and you can see the other side, and it turns, right? And what we're gonna do. So let's put the doggy back onto the platform. I hope this time is gonna be easier. Good. Let's press a little bit lower. Okay. All right, so this one right here is gonna insert just like here. Yep. And then adding the platform. So it doesn't matter how you insert it. So as long as like this, the end. Yep. Then it can turn. Actually, maybe on the other side it's better because it's kind of like, sometimes it's not like even on the platform. So this way, now it can turn. So much better, right? Yeah, so I hope you like this video and enjoy this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!